I'm a typical girl. I do color my hair a lot. Those red, those blue, those blonde. And then I realize it damages the hair. It becomes dry, it becomes coarse.
Only new Dove Intense Repair has fiber actives to leave hair beautifully soft, smooth, and damage-free.
When you use Dove, you're confident. It's healthy, strong, it's manageable. Because feeling good starts from the top. I'm a top girl, and I love it. Sorry po ma'am. Ma'am, sorry po.
Okay lang.
Sorry po ma'am, sige po.
I'm a typical girl. I do color my... Ay, ate,
Yes ma'am.
natapin ko po kasi eh.
Ay, sige po ma'am, sige po ma'am. Ako na lang po mag-ingat po.
Sige, PR lang
Sige
ako
po ma'am, sige po ma'am. O, si ma'am tawag ka. Ay, kuya. Hello. Ano siya? I'm a typical girl. I do color my hair a lot. Sige, focus mo pa. Focus mo pa na. Yan.